So in this video, we will discuss dopamine as a treatment for Parkinson's disease. In Parkinson's disease, dopamine level in the brain is low. And so the question is, why don't we just give dopamine directly so it goes into the brain? But the problem with dopamine is that it cannot cross the blood-brain barrier. So we give it in the form of levodopa instead. However, in the blood, levodopa can be digested by dopamine decarboxylase back into dopamine. So it goes back to its original form, the form which cannot cross the blood-brain barrier. So this is the reason why we give levodopa with a carbidopa in order to inhibit the enzyme dopa decarboxylase in the blood. So now that this enzyme dopa decarboxylase is inhibited, now we can say that levodopa is in its intact form. So now it can cross the blood-brain barrier and get into the brain. Now, of course, we cannot use levodopa in the brain. That's why we will still need the enzyme dopa decarboxylase, the same enzyme present in the blood, so that it can convert back levodopa into its dopamine form, which will now bind to the dopamine receptors in the brain.